Hello, I am introducing my organism, which is the squid of the cephalopod group. We have dissected them before in lab, if you can recall. So the common name is squid, but the scientific name is decapodiforms because they have 10 limbs, and deca, 10. So we can find squid ranging from 800 feet to as much as 33,000 feet below the ocean surface. Giant squid are found generally the deeper you go in depth. But like the squid that we saw in lab are usually on the surface around there. So squids are described as nectonic, meaning that they swim freely in the currents of the ocean. They don't reside under rocks or something like cuttlefish, which are also marine mollusks, and part of the same cephalopod group. So, squid are attracted to light and can be expected to be found like near piers, lighthouses, illuminating the dark ocean at night. So that's usually whenever they hunt, also at night. So squid have arms and 2 long tentacles that are used to retract their prey within reach of their arms. The arms and tentacles envelop the prey, preventing the prey from escaping. And they have, like I said, there's 10 limbs. So they have 2 long ones, and then they have 8 small ones that are closer to their beak. So everything just kind of sucks everything in. And the short arms bring the food to the beak, and then the squid can eat. So squid commonly feed on crustaceans and other fish, but they're also known to exhibit cannibalistic behavior and feed on other squid. Animals known to feed on squid are whales, like pilot or sperm whales, albatrosses, which are huge birds that have like a wingspan of I think it's like 8 feet. I don't know. It's huge. Sharks, dolphins, and like I said, other squid can feed on other squid. So, talking about evolutionary traits that they've developed, some really cool ones I think are cool that we all might be aware of are some squid can project ink from their bodies as a defense mechanism. So their ink, it doesn't really it's not poisonous or anything. It's used to disorient their prey, or not prey, but any predators actually, kind of like in Mario Kart. So it's kind of like a smoke bomb. So cephalopod ink comes from the ink sacs in the ink gland. So the ink sac is right here. Maybe I can zoom in. So here's the ink sac right here, and there's ink glands in the ink sacs that allow the glands to expel ink, and the ink contains melanin, which makes sense, which makes it so dark. So another cool trait is that they evolved to jet stream through water. I mean, how are they really moving, They're not just sitting there and letting the currents take them. They can move on their own. So squids have a specialized siphon right here. Their siphon is right here. It actually looks like a siphon, kind of like a tube thing that sucks water in and allows them to regulate pressure, and they can just pretty much shoot water back out, and they can travel through water at high speeds. So these majestic creatures can traverse through the water at speeds up to 25 miles an hour, which is crazy. They also, last thing that I thought was cool and that we've learned about, are their chromatophores, which are located on their skin, and they allow them to change colors and camouflage themselves. So there are those little porous looking things that we saw on their skin during dissection. I was going to put a picture in, but I didn't really want anyone to have trypophobia, because it's just a bunch of small holes put together. So, location on the tree of life. Cephalopods, like I said, they're over here. These are all pretty much marine animals, kind of. And then a video of them in action. I thought that I'd show you guys them feeding because it's kind of weird. I don't really know. I've never seen it.
10 limbs lined with hooks and suction cups drag victims to their raptor-like beak.
Yeah. Anyways. Okay. So in our ecosystem and their relationship with humans, cephalopods play a significant role in the maintenance of oceanic ecosystems. You can find them in any ocean also. So they keep a healthy balance in the marine world by feeding on various types of fish, and they also have predators of their own also, so it's a good balance. Just being part of the marine food web seems minute, but the whole scale would be thrown off without these guys shooting around. So squid also holds cultural significance as well, not to mention like legends that date back hundreds or thousands of years of giant squid enveloping ships with their tentacles and arms and dragging them in the depths of the ocean. Yeah, that's open for debate. Squid are used in commercial industries as well. Their skin can be used for books, which I thought that was kind of weird. They're also a delicacy to many cultures around the globe, like Japan and more. And these are my citations. Thank you.